With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question is, a body of mass 2 kg moving with velocity of 3 meter per second collides head-on with a body of mass 1 kg moving in opposite direction with a velocity of 4 meter per second. After collision, two bodies stick together and move with a common velocity which in meter per second is equal to. So here it says there are, let's say, two bodies here. Now here it says these two bodies are moving in opposite directions. So here we can say in the first scenario the mass is 2 kg and velocity is 3 meter per second. And in the other case mass as 1 kg and velocity here is given to be as 4 meter per second, but here in opposite direction. Now after collision both bodies stick together. So we can say here both bodies stick together. So here total combined mass here will be 3, and we can say here we need to find the common velocity. So let's say common velocity here is our Vc. We need to find this in meter per second. So here we can say since in collision no external force is acting, so we can say here as net external force is 0, which implies that net linear momentum of the system shall remain constant, which implies that our linear momentum conservation principle gives us here as initial linear momentum equal to final linear momentum of the system. So here we can say initially the linear momentum of the system is plus 2 into 3 here for this, since velocity is in plus x direction, whereas for this 1 kg we have here linear momentum as minus 1 into 4 as this system moves towards minus x direction, which will be equal to final linear momentum of the system here will be, let's say, plus 3 into Vc. So this comes as 6 minus 4 is equal to 3 Vc. Hence the common velocity here comes out to be our 2 upon 3 meter per second. So 2 upon 3 meter per second, which we can see here our option number 3 is the correct answer. So we have 3 as our answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.